Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Talkie Soulful AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Talkie Soulful account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Talkie Soulful AI application. The home page of Soulful application will appear on the screen. Tap on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Continue with Google. Tap on Continue. Choose your date of birth and tap on Confirm. On the next page, enter your name and choose your pronoun, enter your personal information and tap on Save. This is how you can sign up for your Talkie Soulful account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.